And we can see that it has been a wonderful journey. How many pips are we right now from up to days down? That is 304 pips. 300 and what? And 4 pips. How far have we gone with this trade? How far have we gone with this great achievement? It is not by power, it is not by might, but by the Spirit of God, because He has what? Endowed us with every knowledge, every skills, and everything that is needed to be a profitable trader. It is a calling. Yeah. My people, you're welcome once again, and this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. If you are seeing this video for the first time, or if you are joining this channel for the first time, I am welcoming you. Welcome. My name is Michael, the selfless strategic trader. I used to tell people, and I will keep on telling you, that on this channel we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. 100 pips is always our minimum target. Yeah, so if you want to have the mindset, the ideology, the mentality, and everything to actually take 100 pips out of every trade you enter, stick to this channel, and I trust and I guarantee you that you are going to have a better trading ideology. Yeah, so this is another trade that I spotted right now. We can see it's a very fresh trade. It's a fresh trade. So this trade is going to be one of the trades we are going to use to develop this particular account that I introduced to us recently, one frame that I introduced to us recently. And if you have not seen it, don't worry, the video will pop up. So I'm going to use this trading account to achieve the goals of this firm, and you will see how everything is done. So you can only do this if you are what? If you are a member of Selfless Strategic Trader or trading platform rather. So it is very advisable for you to click the subscribe button right now and check our playlist, and you are going to better your trading. Or if you want to advance your journey, then you can enroll for the premium mentorship, where all my students catch 100 pips minimum on every of their trades. Yeah, guys, so now let's get into the real business, guys. This trade is a trade that I've been eyeing for a while now, and if you have been following us, you know that liquidity has always been the order of our day. Yeah, liquidity is always our priority, and I'm going to tell you how that we target liquidity levels here to give us a good delivery. Yeah, to give us a good delivery. This is 1 hour time frame, and if you come to daily time frame right here, we are going to see the liquidity that was taken here on daily time frame. You can see the liquidity level here. Let me show us the liquidity level so that it will be very easy for us to spot in case you are seeing liquidity for the first time. All right, so liquidity level right here. You can see the liquidity level right there. You can see liquidity level always give you this kind of rhythm, this kind of straight rhythm. If you have not really studied our videos on liquidity level, I will advise you to go and study the video of the playlist where I created, or which I named liquidity level, liquidity pool. Yeah, liquidity pool strategy rather. So go and follow our video that I named liquidity pool strategy, and you will understand how to understand the liquidity levels. And I told us that any time liquidity is clear, there will always be a retracement. So we want to try and trade the retracement. Yeah, because price just clear liquidity here, so we want price to give us a retracement before it will continue buying. So we want to take advantage of that retracement. That's why you are seeing this. Even though I measured my profits to be here, but the profit has the potential of getting to this place. You know how we do it now, because most of our trades we catch 300, 400, 500 pips, but once we get to our first minimum target, which is 100 pips, we close partials, we take partials out of the market, and we allow the remaining to run. And it's still going to be the same method we are going to apply on this trade, and probably that's going to be a trade that will give us the full delivery of the account we are currently holding. Yeah, you can see the account here is $10,000 account, and we can see how it's going. I told us how to get this $10,000 account initially, so it's going to be a very sweet one as we grow in this journey. How that just 2 trades or 3 trades can help us to achieve our goal on any program within few moments, within few days, or you know. So that is our target now, and that is what we are trying to achieve right now. So we want this trade to come all the way, hit here, then after hitting here, we know it's going to give a reversal, so we are going to lock our profits after that time. Then we allow the price to do, or markets to do what it wants to do. So let's wait and see what the outcome of this trade will be before I will now give us more and more analysis on the entries and also how we came to the lower time frame. You can see liquidity level here, so like price room also come to clear this liquidity level here, then probably bounce from here and continue buying, or to just give us a kind of break of structure here, give a retest, then continue selling, or to just come and give us just a week candle, maybe a news event or something to clear liquidity here, then continue buying. But the first thing we want to achieve is to sell to this level. Then after selling to this level, then we can now scale up our trade. And this is GBP CHF. It's not a volatile market. CHF paired with GBP is not always volatile, unlike JPY. If it's JPY, between this place and this place can give us like 300 or 400 pips. Yeah, many of you that have been following us, you will see how JPY is to deliver such market for us. All right, so if I see opportunity to still add to this trade, I'm going to do that. Because I'm seeing that GBP is losing strength, and we are going to gain or take advantage of the strength of GBP that is leaving the bank right now. All right, guys, so let's see what the outcome of this trade will be. It's still going to be matched with this video. Yeah, we can see wonderful delivery on this trade. This is what we do. Yeah, so let me show you something right now. Look at it right now. You can see this is 10.524. So if I open just two trades to pass this prop frame, and let me show you something that That is very important. Now I'm going to close partials on this trade. I'm going to close partials on this trade right now. I've closed many partials, but it has already fulfilled the goal. But once in a while, we just want to give it benefit of doubt if it's going to come to this place, break this particular liquidity level here. As you can see, that's already created the liquidity level here to be broken. So probably it's going to give us a push from here to come and clear this liquidity, break the structure, give us a retest and continue to sell. And that is what we are leveraging on this trade. That is what we are leveraging. So now I'm going to take partials, but before I take my partials, let me show you the history of this account. Let me show you the history of this account. You can see if you click here right now, let me just click last 3 months. Let me just click last 3 months because this is just a fresh account, just last week. But let me click last 3 months, so we can see what we've gained. The deposit, you can see the swap, the commission, and we can see the balance. And this is just 2 trades, just Euro AUD and GBP CHF. Yeah, and it's because I did not close this one on time. If not, I would have made the target since. But now we are already here, and this is a target. Had it been this is the second phase, already it's the target with this balance. But it's the first stage, and the first stage requires us to get to 8%, and 8% is going to be $800. Yeah, it's going to be $800. So we are on 10,500 something dollars. That is if I close this right now. But if I don't close it, we are still on $10,423. But let me close partial. Let me close partial. I know how to close partial. So this trade, to me, this trade is already gone. This trade has already fulfilled the mission. Yes, based on the take profits level. But I don't close my trades like that. I leave my trade till it comes back to hit my stop loss level. But I'm going to extract everything I need from this trade. Yeah, I'm going to extract everything I need from this trade. So I just leave the remaining just to play around. Yeah, nothing more, nothing pips. So I'm going to close this trade on 73 something pips. You can see it right here. So I'm on $73. So I'm going to close it on $73. So I will leave 0.032 to do whatever thing it wants to do, just to see how the trade will deliver based on our main target. And if we see the reversal level, we also trade the reversal level. So let me close it right now. And we can see it. We are on 496. Oh, I need this to be 10,500. So sorry about that. I want it to close 10,500. So we need $4. We need $4 to close 10.5. We need $4 to close it on 10.5. Okay, so this is just 10. So this is enough. Yeah, so we're on 10,500 now. So the trade can run. So I'm going to put my stop loss here because we have nothing to lose now. So I'm going to put my stop loss around this place or around this place, just to see what it's going to do or what it can do. So I'm going to put it around here. I will set my stop loss here. So it's going to be 15331. 15331. I'm supposed to put it here, but I don't want to put the stop loss here. So let me put it on this liquidity level here. So if it's not to clear this liquidity, to clear it with my stop loss. But in case it's just want to retest this area and continue, then we are going to enjoy it. That's the mistake I made in the first trade, the Euro AUD trade. I put the stop loss where I knew it's going to hit, but it happened, and that was a very terrible mistake. And I don't want to. I can't even do the same thing because I already taken the necessary profit I needed from this trade. So I just want this one to run. Yeah, so that is 15331. 15331. So I will set the stop loss to 15331. 15331. Yeah, so that just is there. So now I'm going to look for a fresh trade. That will deliver how many for us? That will deliver maybe $300 for us, or let me say $500. $300, that's just what I need. So that's not going to be a difficult thing to achieve. One trade will deliver for me $300. Yeah, that one is sure. Certain. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. I don't know if I will still add the video to this one or it's going to be another video entirely, because I don't want this video to be too long. But the major thing is that when you have a good, or if you are one of my students, you'll be able to take trades like this. Yeah, I don't want to go into the trading room now and see what my students are delivering, what they are getting on their trades. Yeah, you see how they are performing. So if you are one of my students, it will be very easy for you to catch pips and also to pass proof frames like this if you follow the right instructions. Yeah, if you follow the right instructions, if you don't want to know more than yourself. So that's how it is. You people should register with these people, this true proof frame, and they are going to be a profitable one. And if you don't want to register with them, if you check the comment section, you will see the pinned comments there. So the pinned comments will give you the list of proof frames that I support, proof frames that I personally use. Yeah, so you can also make use of those prop frame, and once you have a trading strategy that works, then you are free to engage in those prop frames. If you don't have a trading strategy that's already working for you, you just blow your own money. Yeah, you'll be using your money to sponsor their work. So make sure you are a profitable trader that needs funding before you apply for any of these prop frames that I recommended for you guys. And we can see that it has been a wonderful journey. How many pips are we right now from up? Today's down. That is 304 pips. 304 pips, and it is even close to NFP time. Yeah, how far have we gone with this trade? How far have we gone with this great achievement? It is not by power, it is not by might, but by the Spirit of God, because He has what endowed us with every knowledge, every skills, and everything that is needed to be a profitable trader. It is a calling. Yeah. So now we are very close to NFP time. In 1 minute's time right now, NFP is going to spike, it's going to strike, and many things will happen. But you know what? I'm not having any problem with NFP. Yeah. My own target is that once I see a potential trade, I take my trade, I take the necessary profit, and you know, if you check this account now, you can see the account has been a pure account, and I told us how we started with this account for the prop firm, and we can see that we've almost gotten to our target. Just one trade and we are there. So let's see what NFP we do with this trade. And you know what, there's something I'm expecting with NFP on this trade, and it's going to be a beautiful one. Actually, look at series of liquidities here. You can see series of liquidities here. So the thing that NFP can do is that NFP can bounce from here and take a small buy, but these liquidities here are still meant for clearance. Yeah, so I still expect price to come and clear the liquidities that are there. Yeah, I expect price to come and clear all this liquidity. So if price will clear all this liquidity with NFP, then I'm waiting for NFP to give me the real delivery, like the real delivery. As I am now, I can take a sell around here for NFP to come and what continue selling, or maybe place a sell around there, because I know NFP most of the time always do a bounce up and a bounce down. Now we can see liquidity level right here. Look at liquidity level right here. Look at liquidity level right here. We can see that. So once liquidity level is being cleared like this, we know we are not new. If you are new on this channel, welcome. I've been teaching about liquidity levels here. So you can see if the liquidity was cleared here to give us a new low. So most of the time, price will come trace back to this level before it continues selling. But there will always be a retracement. So if I want to take advantage of this NFP, if NFP will obey the law of liquidity, yeah, just the way I used to take my trades, NFP should come back to this place, give a small retest, then continue to sell. But if it refuses to do that, we are still here. We are still open for a good delivery. We are still open for a good delivery. You can see another liquidity level right here. Look at another liquidity level right here. So that's why I said we have series of liquidity levels lying here. You can see. So price has not cleared that liquidity level. It has cleared this first liquidity level here, but it hasn't cleared the liquidity level here. So we expect price to clear that liquidity level. And if we check this place also, we will see another liquidity level lying down here. So probably that's the first it want to clear before giving us the retracement for the first liquidity cleared before it continues to sell. Yeah, because according to liquidity level and according to our strategy based on liquidity levels, we are expecting price to deliver. We are expecting price to do what? We are expecting price to deliver. You can see the normal spike that clears liquidity is what happened here. So we are expecting a small retracement, then it should continue selling. Let's give a pause and see what price will really deliver for us. Guys, I'm not entering any additional trade. I just want to use this to lecture us on how to trade NFP the right way without using any money. All right, now we can see that anytime it's NFP trade, what you have to do is look for liquidity levels and look for structures. Those two things are the major things to be considered in order to trade NFP successfully and to have a profitable NFP. So we can see that. So if we go to lower time frame, we are going to see more of the levels that I marked. We are going to see more of that. This is the second level that I marked just now, and you can see that. You can see it here. You can see it's a liquidity level, and price has come to do what? Price has come to clear this liquidity level. So we are expecting a retracement. We are expecting a retracement back, a small retracement back. Then it should continue to sell. But if it doesn't continue to sell after, if it doesn't give a retracement before it continues to sell, that means in the future, probably by next week, it will give a pattern, a break in the structure to give us a retest to this level before it continues to sell. So let's wait and see what the delivery of this trade will be. Yeah, 300 plus pips, and we are still counting, guys.